channel. Welcome back. And then today I want to eat a noodle.
Okay, Soksabai guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing. Dan alhamdulillah aku okay lah, almost aku reach 100 subscriber, which is aku rasa macam wow, ada juga orang nak tengok video aku yang entah apa-apa ni kan. Cuma yalah, for now aku produce content yang macam review makan. So insyaAllah in the future ada few videos yang aku nak share juga tentang sebab aku suka travelling dan juga adventure. So these two travel, kita belum boleh travel kan. So insyaAllah kalau aku akan flashback during yang those days yang aku pernah travel. Then also about adventure, kita tengoklah macam aku suka cycling, aku suka fishing, aku suka all the kind of like macam trekking, macam-macam lah. So nanti insyaAllah kalau aku ada time lah, aku akan share my own personal adventures. So nanti korang boleh tengoklah video-video akan datang insyaAllah. So hari ini aku since 100 subscriber, aku actually nak buat lain challenge. Tapi memandangkan hari ini jatuh pada aku punya anniversary. And thank you for korang yang wish aku dekat dalam IG, all the social media and yang aku ada. Thank you so much. And yang tak doa pun, aku tahu yang korang doakan kita, aku dan isteri aku, iaitu Alia, aku Aki. That's why nama kita Aliaaki. Alright, so aku tahu korang doakan dan terima kasih banyak-banyak atas doa. Mudah-mudahan kita semua yang dah berkeluarga ni sakinah mawaddah, okey, dan istiqamah dengan family yang kita ada ni, insyaAllah. So hari ini aku nak buat since aku punya anniversary, tak nak fancy sangat lah kali ni. So wife aku nak bawa pergi BOAT NOODLE dekat Changi City Point. So hari ini aku nak buat challenge BOAT NOODLE. Kita tengok berapa banyak yang kita boleh makan. Kita cuba try. So banyak-banyak BOAT NOODLE dekat Singapore ni, memang kita suka dekat Changi City Point, which is also the first outlet. Yang lain kita orang dah cuba try. Kita ada few outlet. Ni advertisement yang tak berbayar untuk BOAT NOODLE. Okay, so dia ada few outlets dekat Singapore ni. Antaranya dekat Bugis Junction dan dekat Changi City Point. Dia ada satu dekat Sengkang. Aku lupa apa nama tempat dia. Then korang boleh go and find out lah this BOAT NOODLE. Alright, so tanpa buang masa, aku perut dah lapar. Wife aku dah pergi survey tempat. So kita pergi tengok dan jumpa nanti, kita tengok berapa banyak yang kita orang mampu makan hari ini. Alright, so jom kita.
Soksabai guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back. And then today I want to eat a noodle.
Okay guys, we still waiting for the food to come. So let's see. So dekat menu dekat sini, okay, per bowl here is 150. Alright, then you all can see they got patum thani, ayu chaya, creamy tom yum, kuih cicap, sweet kuih cap. Right, tom yum korang tahulah, is macam biasa. Tapi ini dengan ini ada lebih is almost the same but a bit different in the taste lah. Dekat sini diorang ada letak dia punya description kalau korang nak baca lah. Alright, and yeah, so this is very famous when you go visit Thailand, especially kalau korang pergi dia punya floating market. Yeah, it's very famous when you go to floating market. The boat people gonna sell all this small bowl of noodles. Dekat Singapore ni dia buat okay lah, lebih kurang lah. Ada kata mahal, ada kata murah. So it's depend on you lah. If like you think that you can eat more, then you eat more lah. If you don't can eat more, then it's okay. Alright. So, okay, tanpa buang masa aku nak pergi order. Lepas tu kita dah lapar. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna order all this both two. Okay, they got also rice noodle and springy noodle. Springy noodle ni macam Maggi lah. Rice noodle is their own, like macam kalau korang nak rasa memang very authentic Thai punya ataupun yalah Thai punya noodles, you can go for rice noodle. Alright, so I'm gonna order both and beef and chicken. So kita gonna see what's the differences. Right. So besides that, they also have work on fire. Dia ada side dishes also. Alright. Okay, if korang tak nak makan noodle, korang boleh makan platter. Aku dah pernah makan platter, so is okay lah kalau korang nak share for the platter. Alright. Then they have the drinks here. Okay guys, kita punya plate dah datang, first plate. So let's see, we put here first. Yeah. Okay, so this is what we order. Okay, we order actually nampak macam banyak lah, because we order each menu. One beef, one chicken, then one springy, one kway teow ataupun rice noodle. Right. Okay, my son eat ready. Is it nice? Is it nice? Hello, is it nice? Hey, you forget to baca doa. How you read doa? How you read doa?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah Maha banyak Nabi Mak Mak jangan hanya sekarang. Allah Yasmin dengan Sajid Astagfirullah. Mahapaya. Amin.
Good boy. Oh, dia dah lapar. So dia bantai dulu. Hungry ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we gonna eat this first. Okay. Okay guys, so aku gonna try this. This is the patung tani. Patung tani use the what they call rice noodle. So basically bowl noodle dia kecil je lah macam ni. Alright. And dia punya isi, if actually you can eat one time, then finish already. Alright. So and this is the beef. They use the beef ball. Right. So dia punya rasa, dia punya kuah, let me see. Bismillah. Okay, kuah dia bismillah. So dia punya broth ataupun dia punya kuah is very not very lah, it's a bit sourish. Dia macam-macam masam-masam sikit. Alright. So yeah, they use 5 different type of spices, which is korang boleh rasa sendiri lah kalau korang cuba. Right. Ini aku makan sekali je aku rasa. Bismillah. Dia punya sour is very nice. Kalau korang nak pedas, you just add in dia punya, kat sini ada what they call chili flake. And kalau korang nak rasa macam a bit masin sikit, then you should put this fish sauce. Because Thai people, they cannot live without this fish sauce dengan dia punya, apa nama dia? Chili flake and also the sugar.
Sorry to cut you, this is my third plate.
Wah, then order lah.
This is your third.
Okay, so my boy also enjoy. Third plate ready. Father only one plate. Okay, first plate done. Okay, next is the tom yum. So tom yum dia a bit light lah, right? A bit light. So this is they use the they call it Maggi. ataupun springy noodle. Alright. Dia punya rasa tom yum, bismillah. So is more to like macam korang kalau makan macam yang mama tom yum, this is the taste. Alright. And this is the beef also. So bismillah.
No need to blow sayang, maybe not hot.
Dia tak pedas. So korang nak kena add on chili flake to make it pedas. And also korang boleh letak sikit the sauce. Right. Gaul-gaulkan dia sikit. Bismillah. Dan macam tu. Okay, next is ayutthaya. Ayutthaya chicken. Chicken basically beza chicken dengan beef. They use meatball for beef. Chicken, so-called chicken ball lah for chicken. But diorang ada sikit, they put some minced chicken inside the punya noodle. Right? So next is the ayutthaya. Ayutthaya is one of my wife favorite lah. So basically ayutthaya dia punya the taste is less sour but is quite creamy. Okay, quite creamy. Kalau korang boleh tengok dia punya gravy lah. Alright. Then yeah. Kalau korang nak pedas macam biasa, you just add in the chili flake, then also the punya what they call Thai sauce, fish sauce. And you should put a bit chili flake. This is the food hack for Thai food. Then gaul. That's it. Bismillah. Kick in, on point, boy.
Gaul. Martin, very good boy.
Me and my boy enjoy the food. Kemudian boy. Okay, next is the kueh chap. Sweet kueh chap. So I guess this should be sweet lah because it's so sweet. Cuma dia punya gravy or the broth is very light, you know. So dia berair sikit lah rather than the other three whereby the broth is quite creamy. Alright. Quite sweet. Cuma tak pedas macam biasa. So kalau nak pedas, korang just add on the punya chili flake. Right. For this, I don't add first. So we see how it goes. Bismillah. Nice. Alright. So I take the chicken macam biasa. This is the chicken ball. So yeah. Korang makan macam gitu. And bismillah. Four plate. So that's the 4 plate with 4 different menu. So the rest you just enjoy. I'm eating. Alright. So the rest is just the repeating of the same menu. You just is either korang ambil beef or chicken atau spring rice noodle or springy noodle. Alright, that's all only. So the rest the punya gravy is all the same. It's 4 gravy only here. Alright. Okay guys, so the food hack to eat boat noodle the food must be hot. You don't make the food cold. Nanti korang makan memang dah tak sedap. Rather than selain korang letak this apa nama dia chili flake dengan fish sauce. So that's why when you order macam 5 first or 10 first. Then after that baru kau keep on order because the food come hot. Then when you eat baru rasa sedap because it's dekat dalam aircon So if you eat like the food this one cold, then korang dah rasa macam a bit what they call muak. Macam you cannot eat properly.
So fast to cook and very fast to sticky together.
Yeah. So if you see the rice noodle, it come like macam in a bulk because it's fast to cook. Dia kuih tiaw dia halus-halus. So when they boil the noodle, it's very fast and it's very fast dry. So make sure bila korang makan they got some gravy for you to like macam gaul-gaul make the thing lembut again. Alright? So yeah. So this is the much that
If
we
the
just
steak here, stop.
we just eat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. 3 of us eat 3
Add one more.
Okay guys, if korang order kuih chap, they will come a bit like slice of egg a bit lah. Alright? To make your noodle more tastier.
Ayam please. Sorry.
Okay, on the plate, we still have 2 more. I must put the chili flake. Kalau tak, dia a bit muak pada aku lah. Alright? So, it's individual. That's why they don't put too spicy. So, it's for you to adjust yourself lah. Whether korang boleh makan nak pedas ke tak nak pedas. Alright? Okay, so tadi kita stack atas. So dia suruh turunkan takut benda ni jatuh. So anyway, this is the one that we eat. We left with 2. And this is my 2 favorite boat noodle. One is Pratum Tani and the other one is Ayutthaya. So both is like almost the same, cuma different. Kalau korang tengok Ayutthaya, dia ada a bit macam it's I think mushroom yeah, they got a bit mushroom here. And for Ayutthaya, they use only like 10 spicy or herbs in the what they call broth. Tapi for Patum Tani, they use 19 herbs dekat dalam ni. So yeah lah, is their own recipes and whereby korang tak boleh dapat dekat mana-mana lah. Kalau korang try like macam beef noodle yang lain memang takkan sama macam boat noodle macam ni lah. Unless korang pergi Thailand and you find the floating market and they sell exactly like this lah. And I think more better than that lah. And this is the closest that we can get for boat noodle punya taste, right? So last two plate, and I'm gonna put again my what they call chili flake. So basically for Patum Tani, dia punya dia a bit sourish. So korang tak payah letak nak letak apa they call fish sauce banyak sangat. Alright. So letak chili flake is just nice. Tapi jangan tak banyak lah, letak sikit je. Alright. Bismillah. It's nice, tapi dia dah sejuk. So dia macam a bit muak. Lagi kalau korang ambil rice noodle, dia cepat crush, dia cepat stick together. Alright. So yeah. But rice noodle is like one of the choices lah. Because kalau macam Maggi is like, kau dah biasa makan. Whereby macam yang tadi, macam tom yum pada aku pun dah macam dah selalu kan kita makan tom yum kan. So for Ayu Tayah dengan Peratum Tani is macam very rarely to dapat this kind of taste. So this is the place that korang pergilah, korang boleh cuba try. Alright. Aroi Mak Mak. Oh. Okay, last plate. Aku rasa this is the most that I can eat lah. Aku rasa boleh lagi lah, but just don't want to force myself because got some other menu yang kita nak cuba try juga. Alright, last. Okay guys, so this is the boat noodle. Korang boleh cuba try and dah recommended lah. Aroi Mak Mak. Aroi Mak Mak. Arun pula. So, Aroi Mak Mak. Wah, aku order lagi, bye. Allah Akbar. No, I cannot already. This is the most that I can eat already. Frankly. Okay, 6 more to go.
And I have a big bunch of the bread to go.
This is how we celebrate our 4th anniversary. Alright. As long as the food nice, we can eat. That's the most important. It's a waste of money if you buy expensive food but you don't eat at end of the day. Or you eat less. Or you don't like the food. Alright. Okay guys, so basically for boat noodle, kalau korang nak datang this during the COVID time, their operation a bit macam cut short. Not cut short lah, they close early. Sorry, 9 to 9. So last order is 8:30. So kita datang pun just nice. They almost close at 9. Now is I think 8:30 already. Right? Last order already. So kalau korang lambat, then you not gonna enjoy all the like macam those food lah. So if you come earlier before Maghrib, then that's the best lah. Alright. Okay guys, so kita orang pun order mango smoothie, which is not too bad lah. The mango smoothie.
That smell already.
It's nice. So yeah, you all can try. Other than that, diorang ada macam biasalah cha yen, cha xion yen, which is Thai milk tea, Thai green tea, and also they also have the cafe yen, ataupun they also buat taro. So korang pilih lah mana korang nak. Alright, so yeah, it's pair up with the food that have here. So we are waiting one more last order. It's a kaya pudding. Alright, with makan with what they call roti bread. Who sent me? My friend sent me or what? They say they want to change name after Bangkok. Oh. No, they want to change Bangkok to other name. Something very no.
Krongthep Mahanakon.
Yeah.
You ask me, I know more.
Yeah.
No, Krongthep Mahanakon.
Well, that's so long like that.
No, it very long than that. The name of one list. But then, you can short it Krongthep. If you go Thailand, you say I want to go Bangkok. Bangkok is for the capital city of the Thailand, known for all foreigner. You know Thailand, Cambodia and Vietnam, especially Vietnam and Thailand, they have their own name. We call them Bangkok, right? They say I go Krongthep. If they speak Thai, ฉันจะไป Krongthep. I want to go Krongthep. I want to go Krongthep. But Krongthep is the name of Bangkok. But they only the Thai people themselves, they just call that one. Because I have my own name. But my name is okay, everyone know me. You can call me Alia. Alia is my Muslim official name, right? But my real name is what? Sokma. So my own family call me Sokma. And then if for Thai people, they will call themselves Krongthep. They call Pattaya a lot of names that they call that by their own name. And even we, like we are Cambodian, last time it used to be our land. We just, oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Last. And then we, oh yeah, you can take. Thank you.
Wait. So our son not coming.
No, Sangkia.
Huh?
Sangkia.
Wait, hot. You watch. Okay. Tiba-tiba mic aku pun tak bersuara. Aku pun tak tahu kenapa. Mungkin aku terpicit mute lah dekat aku punya mic. So aku first time pun pakai boya ni. So sekarang ni aku cerita bab yang aku dapat ni, iaitu sangkaya. Okay, sangkaya ni okay lah. Dia macam kaya jam yang korang beli dekat luar. Tapi untuk boat noodle ni, sangkaya dia ada sikit special lah, sebab diorang gunakan their own paste, and also diorang gunakan coconut milk untuk menjadikan dia lagi creamy. So korang cecah dengan roti, nampak tak aku cecah. Makan macam gini. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kau tengok panas-panas, memang sedap deh. Sedap.
Rasa dia
Memang
memang sedap and flavorish. So aku nak cuba lagi sekali. Memang seronok, sedap. It's very recommended kalau korang datang ke boat noodle ni, memang korang nak cuba try. So aku nak bagi anak aku, sebab tadi dia yang order actually. Kau tengok, very excited. Alright boy, come, let's eat. Okay, kita tengok dia makan. Taste dulu. Salah macam food tester. Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sedap tak boy?
Here is go back.
Sedap tak boy? Sedap. Cengai. Aroi Mak Mak. Dia kata dia nak lagi.
So that's the end. Basically aku makan sebanyak 29 bowl. Then not too bad, sebab aku order everything in the bowl, and the cost is $60 plus. Okay lah, not too bad lah. Kita try out semua. And aku pun actually regular dekat sini, so kita share sekali kan dan semua. So kalau korang nak cuba try, korang boleh turun lah. Alright. Alright, itu saja daripada aku. Aku minta maaf lah kalau video kali ni dia punya order kurang menarik sikit. Maklumlah first time pakai boya ni, so aku masih adjustable. So thank you for watching, and hopefully korang dapat sokong video aku ni. So sebelum aku akhiri, spread love and don't spread hates. Alright, itu saja daripada aku. InsyaAllah see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum.